Really close to being done. So here's our vanity, double vanity. Mirrors are on order. They'll get here. Here are our fancy little lights that were black when we bought them, and now they're seafoam. There's our little laundry divider, the wall, and the washer and the dryer, and our shower, right, and our old school medicine cabinet, which was here when we got here and decided we loved it and we kept it. Here's our new toilet, right? There's the wall that's finished. There we go, almost all done. So close, so close, soon.